Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Citizen K16. It was new in 2016. Mitsubishi control. You have a K16EVIIP bar feed, cool blaster, high pressure coolant unit, also regular coolant. Main spindle is currently running at 1,000. That's 2,500. That's 5,500. That's your C-axis indexing. There's your live tooling. 1,500 RPM. 2,500. And that's 3,000. Switch over to your back. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,500. And that's 5,000. There's your C-axis on the back. It's also a full C-axis. Gonna jog the axes around. That's your Z2 axis. Your X2 axis. That's your Y axis or Y1 axis. Do your Z. And lastly, your X. Machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.